Welcome to Dev Tech channel. Now we are going to see about student mock statement using structure with array. Structure means various data types stored in single block, that is structure. Array is used to store multiple values in single variable. First we have to start the program, then declare the variables, get the input at the runtime, then calling the function. Finally we have to display the output. Now we will see the coding. So first I typed the title of the program, then declare the header files. This is structure coding. So this is start with the keyword struct, then what are the elements we have to use in the program, that is declared within the body of the structure. Here I used roll number, mark 1, mark 2, mark 3, total, average, name in a different data type. Finally end with the structure variable and end with the semicolon. This is the structure part. This is structure variable. It will be used in our main function stud of I dot m1 m2 etc. So for an calculation, stud of I dot m1 plus we have used. Then now I declare the variables, then clear the screen. Now I get the input from the user for understand how many number of students, that is stored in the variable n. Here I used %d because n is declared as integer. N is declared in the main function here. Here I used for loop. Why? Because for so many times if I want to get the values, means I have to use a looping statement. Here I is declared as 0. I getting the name of the student and stored in the variable stud of I dot name. %s means string, that is declared as a char, the data type char. Here I get the register number, that is %d, because roll number is declared as integer data type. Then I am getting mark 1, that is stored in structure variable, that is stud of I dot m1. Then getting the mark 2, that is stored in stud of I dot m2. Now I am getting mark 3, that is stored in stud of I dot m3. I am getting all the name, roll number, all the marks. So then I have to calculate these marks and find the total and average. So total equal to mark 1 plus mark 2 plus mark 3. Here I declared as structure variable, that is I am using stud of I dot m1, stud of I dot m2, stud of I dot m3. These three marks are added, then stored in stud of I dot total. Then total is divided by 3. That value will be stored in average variable. Finally I display the output. I varies from 0 to n. So total equal to %d. Then stud of I dot average is passed as float variable, because average contains the decimal value, that's why I am declaring float data type. Then give the getch, close the main function, compile the program. There's no error, so go to the run part. Here you have to enter how many number of students. 2. So first student name is Rahul, then enter the register number, that is 234. Then enter the mark 1, mark 2, mark 3. Then it will display total equal to 187 and average is 62.0. This is first student status. Then second student name is get from the user Krishna, roll number is 145 and mark 1 is 89, mark 2 is 75 and mark 3 is 65. His total is 229 and average is 76.0. This is the output of the program. If you like this video, click like button and subscribe this channel. Thank you for watching.